What's up, everybody? Welcome to the new Mike Dolce show. As I told you, we are upgrading. You've probably noticed some of our recent live streams, well, they just haven't been awesome. Now, we've done our best, and no longer will we rely on inefficient software and deal with all of the BS that goes into it. Now, there's other channels that have super high production value and teams. We do not. And when I say we, I mean me. It's just me here, all alone shooting these videos, dealing with the audio, dealing with the video, dealing with the interfacing and the editing and all of the nonsense. Now, as good as my friends are in the YouTube world, most of them have teams doing that. Will we have a team? Maybe. If you want to be a part of our audio, video, podcast, video, blog, vlog team, shoot me a DM. Instagram is best. Actually, there's a link below to a phone number. You can text me. If you want to be a part of what we're doing or just have some friendly insight, I'm happy to hear it. But we upgraded. You can see upgraded audio, upgraded video, and a lot of this is due to my good buddy Nick Trigili over at the Bodybuilding and BS channel. Nick and I have been friends for probably 20 years. 20 years now. It's crazy. I've seen Nick go from just a standout high school track athlete to an aspiring bodybuilder to Mr. USA and an IFBB professional. And now I've seen Nick take over the YouTube space, crushing it. I reached out to Nick and I said, buddy, I need some help. I want to, we are all back in on YouTube, and I really want to make sure our production quality matches the world-class health and fitness, performance, nutrition, strength training, lifestyle information that we offer. Again, 4-time World MMA Trainer of the Year? You better believe our science is world class, but our production quality on this channel, it simply was not. But now it will be. So this is, trust me, this is a work in progress. More is coming. More is coming, but I will have setups like this on one of our gym floors where I can just sit down and speak directly to you. I don't have to be stuck with the swivel microphone. I don't have to have the 4K plug-in little camera I was using previously. Now we have a beautiful studio camera. We have shotgun mics, booms. We have a lot of the stuff we need to give you the best possible content. Well, so that being said, I want to give you part 2 of the video I posted earlier today. There'll be a link at the end of this video for earlier, the video I did earlier, when we discussed cardio being bad for you. I said video 2 will be on maintenance calories. So those of you who stayed this far, thank you for being here. Here is your payoff. When we discuss maintenance calories, what is maintenance calories? And let me give you a simple overview. This channel is meant to be simple to understand. My team and I have taken the long and hard work out of this for you. So as I communicate this information, I understand that there are millions of people who will have access to this. And of those millions, a few 100,000 will want Andrew Huberman-esque details. A few 100,000 will want Joe Rogan-esque details. And a few 100,000 will simply want straight speaking details. The best way to deliver this information is to speak straight. That way everybody gets what you're looking for. Oftentimes I'll link scientific sources below. I'll reference them. That's all here. You can always contact me if you want any further information. But now, when we talk about maintenance calories, I'm going to go about this in 2 ways. The first way is more of the academic egghead. There's something called a basal metabolic rate. Your basal metabolic rate, or your BMR, is the amount of total energy you need to sustain your full physical form and the biological processes while completely at rest. So when you hear your BMR, your basal metabolic rate, that simply means the amount of total energy it takes for you to survive without gaining or losing a single pound. Now, there is a mathematical formula called the Harris-Benedict equation. Harris-Benedict is the peer-reviewed, generally recognized, most accurate estimate of the average person's BMR. Instead of applying this complex mathematical formula to determine how many calories do you need to sustain your current mass and survive, what we found is if you simply take your body weight and multiply it by 10. Oddly, this is a hack that perfectly fits Harris-Benedict. When you take your, let's say you're 200 pounds, if you were to go through Harris-Benedict, you'd find you need somewhere around 2,000, maybe 19, maybe 2,100, somewhere right around 2,000 total calories as your basal metabolic rate. But if you took your 200 pounds and times it by 10, bang, you're right there. So you right now, a general estimate of your BMR would be body weight times 10. Now, most people think this is maintenance calories, and this is where everybody, likely you, have gone wrong. Your BMR is not maintenance. It is maintenance while at rest. The average person is adding hundreds to thousands of extra calories to their day through expenditure. Now, if you are a sedentary person, you wake up, you peel your fat ass out of bed, you blow up the toilet, you sit down and eat an Egg McMuffin and a donut and your boxer shorts as you answer customer service tickets on your laptop all day while surfing YouTube, and then you go and put on your Oculus glasses and you sit there on the couch and you play whatever game until it's time to fall asleep. You're not burning a lot of calories, but you're still burning more than Harris-Benedict would account for. Now, if you're waking up, you're hitting lists, you're very active inside your household, you're playing with your kids, you're doing little projects, you're getting yourself to work, you're up, you're at a standing desk, you got a little lap treadmill, you're walking around, you're physically active, you're getting your workouts in, you're doing jujitsu, you're swinging kettlebells. Well, shit. You're burning another 800 to 2,000 extra calories throughout your day. So your maintenance will be much different than a sedentary individual's. How do you know what the difference is? Now I'm closing the loop for you. The video's almost over, so thank you for being here. Context is everything. For me, I know my maintenance is 3,600 calories per day. Why is that? Because when I eat 3,600 calories per day, I wake up at exactly 208 pounds. 208, 208, 208, 208, 208. As I said in the earlier video today, when I start to decrease or increase calories, my weight will then change. Now, I have a very structured lifestyle. I wake up around the same time. I go to bed at the same time. I go to the gym at the same time. I do my cardio at the same time. My family, my lifestyle, Sunday through Saturday is the same. I don't care what day of the week it is. We basically do the same basic stuff. It's pretty easy for me to determine what my maintenance is. For you, I would simply say, eat the same things for the next 4 days. So the meals, all the food you ate yesterday, eat the exact same thing today and tomorrow. Weigh yourself in the morning. Did you see any change to body weight? That's a pretty good estimate of your maintenance calories. Now, assuming you're not eating hyper-palatable, highly processed food, which is just junk food, assuming that you're eating high net nutrient, healthful, whole foods, maximizing nutrient capacity per calorie, well, you are on your way to being a summer god or goddess. If you simply take a few days and eat the same basic meals that you're already eating, I'm not saying diet, don't change your meals, eat the same meals, run them through a very simple nutrition calculator so you can see, holy cow, I'm eating 3,200 calories a day and my weight never changes. That's your maintenance. Now, in order to start getting shredded and losing fat, what I would suggest is not cutting your calories, unless they're garbage calories, not cutting your healthy calories, but slowly increasing your expenditure. And I would start with low intensity, steady state cardiovascular activity. I would start just adding a couple thousand extra steps per day if you're already active, which would put you at maybe from 10,000 would be your average, hopefully it is, to maybe 12,000 steps per day. And pause there. Watch the body weight spill off as you continue to eat the same maintenance calories as you had previously. But now, while eating those maintenance calories, you will see your composition dramatically improve. Tomorrow's video, am I going to put tomorrow Saturday? On Monday's video, we will talk about the types of cardio that are ideal to build muscle. Yes, build muscle. To maintain body composition or to improve body composition. There's 5 different zones of cardio. I've mentioned them before, but I will do a deeper dive on those in the next video. Thank you for being here. If you've stayed this long, make sure you subscribe to the channel and definitely leave a comment under this video just so I know you are there. All the engagement will be very helpful to us to get this channel back up into the algorithm so we can ultimately grow the community. Anything you want to do to help support us, that's all I ask. Thank you once again, and until next time, boom!